Alright, we got a package. Just got a text message. This thing's pretty cool. Bam. And don't worry about that code, it changes every time. It's never the same. Alright, what's up? Back with another video. Today we're going to be installing Ducati spacers on the Panigale V4s 2019. Ordered this kit because I saw a lot of videos of the sloppy throttle, and you can see there is some play in there, so today we are going to fix that. Alright, so in the kit, there's instructions, front, back, real simple. Oh, it opens up. Okay, there's more steps. But yeah, you have your two spacers and it comes with another bit. So you need a flathead and a Phillips #2. And this is just a, these things are magnetic, slide in there. Yeah. So let's get to it. With the bit provided in the kit, there's two screws that need to come out. Swap out to your Phillips. Remove two more. And once you do this, your throttle body is going to want to separate, so be careful. Alright, so once your four screws are out, it tells you to separate this and remove one half. And then you're going to pull back. This one as far as you can. So carefully pull it back. Yeah. Alright. So now we're going to install these red spacers on these two nubs. Alright, so it tells you to use a flathead. There's no real reason they have a flathead. You just need something to push these spacers on there. So I have this skinny Phillips screwdriver that I'm going to use to get that in place. Slide it on there. So that's one. And the smaller one is over here. Dropped it, so be careful not to drop it and lose it inside your bike. These little pieces will be hard to find. Put that one on. Make sure they're flat. Looks good. And we're gonna close this back up, line it back into position. All right. And there's one thing to pay attention for when you're putting this half back on. So there's a hole right here. It tells you to look for. So this is where this piece is gonna sit. Make sure you have it the right way. Alright, snap right back into place where it should be. You can see where that hole, you can't see it, but it's in there. So now we're going to tighten this back up. Alright, so I got the two bigger screws back in, and it tells you to pay close attention to this bracket right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a bracket right here where the bottom screw goes. So make sure it's lined up. It's getting threaded in there. Let's get that top one in. And then we're gonna have to switch our tip. Go ahead and drive these funny looking screws back in. They weren't in there too tight to begin with, so I'm not gonna put too much pressure. Just enough to where I know they won't fall out. Fix that. Don't strip them. And now, you see now we have 0 play in our throttle. So far, I haven't ridden it, obviously, I just installed it, but I can guarantee you that's better throttle response, at least a feel in your hand. Cool. Thanks for checking out the video. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys think. More parts are on the way. Moto Million parts came in. I'm probably gonna install these, but that'll be a separate video, so stay tuned. Life with Justin, out.